Hi everyone. Today we'll go through how to tie a hand wrap, okay, using a very efficient and simple method. Okay, and you can see that there's two sides. There are two sides. Okay, and then you can use the outside part, okay, of the hand wrap, okay, to start tying, and the thumb is facing this way. Okay. Okay, go through 3 rounds. Okay, this is using the longer hand wraps. Okay, the standard you can go through 3 rounds, 1, 2, 3, and then here. Okay, you can go through the knuckles. Okay, especially the first 2 knuckles, we need to protect it. Yeah. Okay, 2 rounds and 3 rounds. Okay, make it nice and tight, and then you go through the wrist 1 round, and then you can go through the thumb. Okay, you can actually spread it out to make it more tidy. Okay, this way. Okay, and then you can clench your fist. Okay, why you need to clench your fist? Okay, when you go through the thumbs or the fingers, because you want to have a feel of the tight grip. Okay, and then you can go through here, and then you can go through 1 round of the wrist already. Then after you go through and you tighten, okay, you clench this way, okay, and you can make it more spread out, the hand wrap, make it more tidy. Yeah. And then you can also, okay, cover around your knuckle. See? Okay, make it tight and nice. Okay. Yeah. And then 1 more round here. Okay, and spread out again. Yeah. You can have this, protect the knuckle again. Okay. Clench. Okay. And turn 1 more round. Okay. So in the process, we actually tighten the wrist. Okay. And 1 more round here. Okay. Tighten, clench the fist. Okay. So you will form the base of securing all your fingers, okay, and the wrist and the knuckles. And 1 round. Then you can go through. Okay. The knuckles again. You spread out. Okay, this way. Okay. This way. Okay. Yeah. And make it spread out. Okay. And you can see here. Yeah, nice and tight. And you can actually, for some people, they like to actually make this extra padding here. Okay. In fact, they will make more extra padding for the hand wrap. Okay. So and then here you can actually make it more, focused. Okay. And here, so that you can actually have a more comfortable hand wrap around the hands. Yeah. Thank you.